Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to set Google as your default homepage on Microsoft Edge. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Microsoft Edge web browser, and then open lang natin yan. And next step, so dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang i-click yung tatlong dot. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so scroll down, and then select mo lang dito yung settings. And dito sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung start, home, and new tab. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito ng when Edge start. And then, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung open this page. So, i-click mo lang tong circle na yan. And dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung add new page. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, dito sa add a new page, enter a URL. Okay, so kailangan lang natin i-enter yung google.com. And kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung add. So makikita mo na dito na yung Google ay naset na siya as default homepage dito sa Microsoft Edge. And then kailangan mo lang mag-relaunch. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to set Google as default homepage in Microsoft Edge. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.